Hello everyone, welcome to Math Cyberspace. This problem is from General Aptitude and this is from 2020 June exam and this is problem number 8. Here the question is, a square board is divided into 9 smaller identical squares. By drawing lines, okay, 3 bullets are shot at the board randomly. The probability that at least 2 bullets hit the same small square is option 1 is 1 by 3, option 2 56 by 81, option 3 is 25 by 81 and option 4 is 2 by 3. This problem is from probability and this is a quite tricky problem. Okay, let's see how to solve this problem. Suppose this is a board. This is a square board. Okay, now we divide the board into 9 small square parts. Nine small square part. Okay, here also given 3 bullets are shot at the board randomly. 3 bullets are shot. Suppose this bullet is red bullet, this bullet is this is red bullet, this is black bullet, and this is green bullet. Okay, there are 3 types of bullet: red, black, and green. Now we have to find out the probability that at least 2 bullets hit the same square is. Now at least 2, what is mean by at least 2? At least 2, that means there are 2 cases: either 3 bullet hit the same square, okay, or 2 bullet hit the same square. Either at least 2, that means either 3 bullet hit the same square or 2 bullet hit the same square. So the probability will be probability of 3 bullet plus probability of 2 bullet hit the same square, same small square. Now first see for the case 3 bullet. Here the bullets are red, black, and green. When the red black will hit the small square, in that case the probability will be 1 by 9. There are 9 small squares. Similarly, for black and for black and green, this will be 1 by 9. Okay, and there are 9 cases for these 3 bullets. So multiply with 9 plus. Now for 2 bullet, when 2 bullets will be on the same small square. Suppose red and black, these 2 bullets are hitting in this square. Okay, so in that case the probability will be 1 by 9 into 1 by 9. There are 9 small squares and the remaining green bullet will hit the remaining 8 small squares. So for the green bullet the probability will be 8 by 9. Okay, and there are total 9 cases, so multiply with 9. But the fact is that here is the quite tricky. For 2 bullet we will get 3 cases. Suppose case 1, in case 1 red and blue hit the same small square. In case 2, suppose red and green hit the same small square, and in case 3, suppose black and green hit the same small square. This is black, okay, B for black. So we are getting 3 cases. We will not get further cases. So only for these 3 cases we will get will multiply into 3. Okay, now calculate. This will be 9 cancelled out. This will be 1 by 81 plus 9 cancelled out. This will be 24 by 81 equals to 25 by 81. Now see the options. In option 3, they are given 25 by 81. So option 3 will be the correct answer. Many students do wrong in this step. They have forgotten to multiply with 3. Okay. So this is quite tricky problem, and I think this will be very helpful for you. Okay. Thank you. If you like this video, then please share with your friends and subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.